Let's see the fifth question today. In the fifth question, the instruction given is you have to arrange the following rational number in ascending order. Okay. The very first question given is you have given four rational number. You have to arrange them in ascending order. The first number is 2 upon 5. The second number is 7 upon 10. And the third number is 8 upon 15. And the last one is 13 upon 30. The procedure is exactly same as of in we were doing in the topic of fractions. Exactly same, but a little you have to be alert in one thing. What you have to make sure that whenever you are whenever you have been given with these kind of question, that you have to arrange the rational numbers in ascending or descending, you have to make sure that the rational number, before you go on comparing them, you make sure that it is in the standard form of rational number. Standard form of rational number has two conditions. Those two conditions have to satisfy all have to satisfy with all the rational number. All rational number have to satisfy those two conditions of standard form of rational number. Then only you can proceed. If you won't do it, your answer will be incorrect. Okay. So here you can clearly see that none of the denominators of the given rational numbers are negative, and all the rational numbers are in the simplest form. That means their numerator and denominator are in the simplest form. That means their SCF is equal to 1. These things are clear. Now moving forward, let's try to solve this question. Now you can recall here what we are doing in the topic of fractions. What we are doing, we try to make the denominator same. In order to make the denominator same, what we will do, we will take the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. Okay, so let's do it. We will take the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. So LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. Good. Let's take it in the right hand side. Here I am taking it. Okay. So with which number we will multiply? We will divide first. So 2 se divide. We will divide with 2. So 5 will be divided, so 5 will be written as it is. 10 will be divided by 2, so the quotient is 5. 15 is not divided by 2, so as it is written. 30 is divided by 2, so its quotient is 15. Now with which number we will divide? We will divide with 3. 5 and 5 will not divided, so we have written exactly the same. Now 15 will be divided by 3 5 टाइम्स में और यहाँ भी 5 टाइम्स में. ठीक है, तो लास्टली वी विल डिवाइड बाय 5, so we get 1, 1 and 1. Clear? So the LCM will comes out to be 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. That means 30 multiply 2 is 6, 6 multiply 5 is 30. LCM comes out to be 30. This is clear, beta? Now moving forward. Now what we have to do, we have got the LCM is 30. Now LCM tells us that, see, I have told you that in order to compare the rational number, you have to make the denominator of all the given rational number which you intend to arrange in ascending order or descending order. You have to make all those numbers, सभी numbers का जो denominator है, you have to make it same. Now the biggest question is which number will be there, है ना? तो LCM tells us the answer to that question, that this number, the LCM of all the denominators whatever will be that number in this question, in case of this question, the LCM comes out to be 30. So that will be your target now. Okay, you don't have to unnecessarily randomly choose a number and try to do it. That's a incorrect approach. Okay, once you got the LCM, now you have to convert all the denominators of all the given rational number which you intend to arrange in ascending order. You have to make it exactly same as of the LCM. So let's take one by one rational numbers and we will convert its denominator to the LCM, that is 30. So first rational number, just a minute. So the first rational number is, see here, first rational number is 2 upon 5. Okay, now tell me one thing. You know the table of 5 very well. Now can you tell me that in the table of 5 how many times will give me 30? And 5 times ja what will give me 30? So sir, very easy, 6 times. So we just have to convert the denominator. But you know, in the chapter of fractions you have studied a very important rule, that if you want to multiply or divide in just one place, that means let's say you have to multiply 6 here in this example, you have to multiply 6 in the denominator, then you have to multiply it to the numerator so that its value doesn't get changed. If you not multiply the same number in both the numerators and denominators, that will incorrectly change the value of that fraction. But when you multiply the same number in the numerator and denominator, the value remains the same. Kaise value remains the same? Because if you want to convert back, you have to divide again with that number. Okay, so यहाँ भी हम लोग 6 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिए. तो यहाँ पे what will be the numerator comes out to be 12 and the denominator comes out to be 30. So see here, the modified rational number of 2 upon 5 is 12 upon 30, whose denominator is 30. Things are clear, Babu? Now take the next rational number, 7 upon 10. So we want the denominator 30. We want the denominator 30. So what we want to multiply in the denominator? 3. Very simple. So we will also multiply 3 in the numerator. So it is 21 upon 30. Clear? Now next number is 8 upon 15. 8 upon 15. Now in the table of 15 to the 30. 15 to the 30. That's why we are multiplying 2 here, and because we have multiplied 2 in the denominator, we also have to multiply in the numerator. So the result is 8 to the 16 upon 15 to the 30. Things are clear, beta? Now nextly we have 13 upon 30. 13 upon 30. यहाँ पे तो हम लोग को कुछ करना नहीं है, बस दिखा देते हैं कि 1 से मल्टीप्लाई किए हैं, बिकॉज द डिनोमिनेटर इज ऑलरेडी 30. Now you can clearly see this number also has denominator 30. This has all numbers have 30. Now we will compare. How we will compare? The number which have greater numerator value. What I have said, the number which have greater numerator value is the greatest. जिसके पास न्यूमरेटर में बहुत सबसे बड़ा वैल्यू होगा वो सबसे बड़ा होगा, और जिसके पास सबसे छोटा होगा वो सबसे छोटा होगा. So let's try to apply the same concept here also. See here, we have to make in your mind that you have to arrange here in the ascending order, not the descending order, है ना. इसके लिए आप एकदम बिल्कुल क्लियर रहिए कि आपको क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है. अगर आप भूल भी जाते हैं, इतना प्रोसेस करते करते मान लो भूल गया, तो यू गो बैक टू द क्वेश्चन इंस्ट्रक्शन एंड सी व्हाट इज सेइंग, ascending or descending. So here we have to arrange in the ascending order. So in order to arrange in the ascending order, the smallest will come first, then just bigger than just bigger than the previous one, and then the greatest one. In this order we have to arrange. So we will have to firstly, to find the first rational number in this ascending order, we will look after the smallest denominator, sorry, smallest numerator. So see here, 12, 21s, and here is 16 and 13. So the smallest numerator we got is 12 upon 30. That means actually it was 2 by 5. So we can write here, what we can write here, 2 by 5 is the first rational number in the ascending order. Now we will put a less than sign. Why less than? Because it is the smallest one. Whichever number comes here will be bigger than this. Okay, so 12 upon 30, just bigger than 12 upon 30 is 13 upon 30, and actually 13 upon 30 is actually 13 upon 30. So we will write 13 upon 30. Exactly bigger than 13 is 16 upon 30. 16 upon 30 is is originally what? 8 upon 15. And the biggest one is 21 upon 30, and it is originally 7 upon 10. So this is our final answer. We have arranged the given 4 rational number in the what? Ascending order. Okay, so this was the first question out of the 4 given question in this question. 4 sub question are given, so we have solved the first sub question. Now moving forward toward the second question. See here. Okay, let's see the second question. In the second question also, you have given with 4 rational numbers: minus 3 upon 4, 5 upon minus 12, okay, minus 7 upon 16, 9 upon minus 24, sorry, 9 upon minus 24. These are the 4 rational number given. Now by first look you got the problem that this number and this number have negative denominators which we cannot tolerate. So we have to convert it, else everything is fine. All of the rational numbers are in the simplest form. You can check. Okay, so let's move forward. So see here, what we have to do. First we express each of the following, each of the given numbers with positive denominators. We have a positive denominator. We have what we have. See here, minus 3 by 4 is good, nothing to change here. But in 5 upon minus 2 we multiply negative 1 in both the places, numerator and denominator. So we got minus 5 upon 12. Minus 7 upon 16 is as it is because it has no deficiency, but 9 upon minus 24 has deficiency, so we will multiply negative 1 in both the numerator and denominator. So we got minus 9 upon 24. Now everything's fine. Now we can move forward. Okay, so what we have to do is, now we have to find the LCM of 4, 12, 16 and 24. So LCM is now very easy thing for you, so I am directly writing the LCM here. Okay, because the length of video will be very long if we will find LCM of all the question here. So we will directly write the LCM of 4, 12, 16 and 24. So LCM of all these four numbers is 48. Okay, you can easily find it, very easy. Now we have to convert the denominators of all the given four rational number is equal to 48. So let's take the first rational number minus 3 upon 4. How we will convert it its denominator to 48? So remember, 12 fours are 48. That's why we will multiply 12 in numerator and denominator. So in here we will get minus 36 upon 48. The next number we have is minus 5 upon 12. So what we want in denominator? 48. So we will multiply 4 here and here also. So minus 20 upon 48. Next number we have is minus 7 upon 16. So what we will multiply in denominator? We will multiply 3 here and 3 here. So we got minus 21 upon 48. And the last number is minus 9 upon 24. So what we will multiply in denominator to get 48? 2. So in numerator we get minus 18 upon 48. Things are clear. Moving forward, देखो, now we have just to arrange them. So we have to arrange in ascending order. So we will write here, hence we will look up for the smallest one. So smallest one is this one, minus 18 upon 48. Originally it was what? Originally it was 9 upon minus 24. Okay, so we will write this first. Now next what we have, and just bigger than this is this minus 21 upon 48. Originally it was what? Originally it was minus 7 upon 16. And just bigger than this, sorry, just a minute, it's a mistake here. Just bigger than 80, minus 18 upon 48 is not minus 21 upon 48. This is just bigger, minus 20 upon 48. Okay, so we will correct this. So originally minus 20 upon 48 is what? 5 upon minus 12. Now just bigger than this is this. So it was originally minus 7 upon 16, and the biggest one is minus 36 upon 48, which was actually minus 3 upon 4. So 4 number we have arranged in the ascending order. Cool, good. Now likewise you can solve the third question and the fourth question. Same procedures, everything same. Okay, have a nice day.